Ready to send money fast? I'll show you how to set up Zelle in the Citibank mobile app in under a minute. Open your Citibank app and sign in with your username and passcode or biometrics. Tap Move Money or Transfers from the home screen to get started. Choose Zelle, then tap to enroll. Confirm your email or phone number when prompted. Enter the verification code sent to your phone or email and tap Verify. Link your Citibank account if it isn't already linked, then accept the terms and complete enrollment. To send money, go back to Zelle and tap Send Money. Select an existing contact or add a recipient with their email or US phone number. Enter the amount, add a short note, then tap Continue. Review the details carefully, choose the funding account, and swipe or tap Send. You'll see a confirmation screen. Zelle transfers are typically instant. Confirm with the recipient and avoid sending to unknown contacts. Recap: enroll in Zelle, verify contact, enter amount, and send. Fast and secure.